Hey there guys, and welcome to today's tutorial. And what I'm going to be doing is running you through how to set up a song track on Logic Pro. So we're just going to hit Logic Pro to open, and this should take a few seconds. So while we wait, I'm just going to talk you through what we're going to do. We're going to open a new track and show you guys how to make your own short song, and it's pretty easy to do. I think you'll enjoy it, and just gonna teach you through a few basic things. So right then, wait for that to open up. Okay, here we go. Right, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna go X and File, New, and here we can choose an empty project. So we put everything ourselves. Guitar tones, and that's just guitars, and instruments. So we're going to hit instruments, and we get a few nice pianos and keyboards, and they should tie us over for now. So when this opens up, what we've got is, and we're just going to name the song. So I'm going to name it YouTube, because we're on YouTube now. Tester. And obviously I wouldn't name a song that normally, so I'm going to save that to my desktop because I want to delete that afterwards. And so we're going to go to click on these, and if we click the caps lock button, we get this nice little keyboard, and if we press our keyboard, it works like a piano keyboard. So that's a little example. And so we've got the piano, and what we can do is, so set down here, we've got the tempo, so the beats per minute, and I'm going to set that to 140. And we can put the metronome on and hit, so let's think of a little rhythm. No, that's rubbish, so turn it down a little bit. And so what we're going to do is hit record down here. We'll get a little intro and press spacebar to stop. And then I'm just going to press caps lock so I've got better view of the screen. And we can just drag this back to the first bar so we know what we're working with. And if you hit enter, that will bring us back to the beginning of the track. So we can press spacebar and play that. Great. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to another song, another track. So for example, Liverpool bass. And if we hit this little grayed out bar at the top, it should turn green, and that will allow the song to just repeat these same 4 bars over and over again, and you can drag that. You can make that longer or shorter for however you want. So we're going to go to Liverpool bass and press caps locks and go to this nice little view of the keyboard, and we're going to go. So basically we can go down an octave by clicking the numbers. So see here, 4 is going down 1 octave, and 0 is 1 more, and so we just go down like that. So I'm going to turn this down because I don't want to wake anyone up in the house. and so what I'm going to do is just quickly have a play around to see what I like. So I've decided what I'm going to do, and press enter to return. Go back to record, and what it's going to do is count me in for a bar, and then I'll start recording my bass. Okay, so record. Yeah, that sounds good. So I'm going to get rid of the keyboard again and drag the little bit. Oh, hang on. going to drag the livable base. Make sure only one of them, if it looks like this, so both of them selected, you want to click off and click the one you want. So I was just dragging that in so it goes back to the start again. So let's play that again. Okay, that's good. Right. So now I want to add a bit of drums. So I'm going to go to Electric Dub Kit and Caps Locks. And we're going to just play around. So find the drums you like. Maybe go down an octave to find some different ones. Maybe not. So I'm going to do this. So great. So now I'm going to record something like that. So here we go. So there's a little out of time, and so to combat that, what we can do is get rid of that again. And we're going to double click on Electric Dub Kit, and we're going to scroll out and highlight it. It's going to make a bit of a noise, and we're going to go where it says off 3840. We're going to click that, and we're going to scroll down to, let's say, 1/8 of a note, and that should bring us into a timing where everything's in the right time. So press enter and play. Great, so everything's back in time again, and we're going to go to the hip hop tech deck now. So what we can do is we can just oh, how do we get rid of that again? Right, oh, it doesn't matter. So we're going to go hip hop tech deck. We're just going to bring this down here so we got more space to look at, and we're going to put the caps locks on again. Did not mean for that to happen. And we're just going to put that to the side. And we're going to go caps locks and play some drums. So find some other drums you want to fill in the gaps with. So here we go. Great, so we're going to go. So that's lagging a little bit because of I've got a lot of views on my CPU right now, and so I'm probably going to delete that because that didn't sound too good. But basically you get the idea, and you just build the track up as you go, and you can play around in these 4 bars, and then if you like something you want to keep for later, so you can just go I want the bass, but I don't want it yet, so I'm going to go mute, and the bass won't be in there anymore. So, and just another little last thing that we might want to do, say we want to keep this piano going through the whole way. We go up to where the little black bar is, and you should see this little arrow that's in a curve shape, and what we're going to do is click and drag, and that will take the bar and duplicate it across the song. And that means you don't have to think about that track. You can just let that run in the background. And so if we click that off, and that will carry on playing through. And you can do that as far as you want. And it's pretty useful, really. It means you don't have to keep, because you could go Control C, go to the end, Control V, and I'll take, well, that went in the wrong place. Control V, and it all takes a long time, but that makes it much quicker. And so you can turn the metronome off if you want to. Just play around, guys. Really enjoy yourself on this software. It's really good, really easy to use once you get the hang of it, and you should be able to sort it out. So, thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.